Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice in Stellaris. And I'm just looking at my my allies' vessels here. This is pretty good. Look at that battleship there. It's just fun looking at. This is such a pretty game. Such a pretty game. What's this guy? Kagash class. He's no. This guy. Destroyer. Yeah, Kagash class. Let's see here. What does he have? Ripper auto cannons, barrier point defense, and a large space torpedoes. And that's it? Huh. Doesn't seem like much. Anyway, I just love looking at stuff like that. Anyway, they are bombarding some stuff. We just took over a planet with our giant death titans over here. And we're probably going to take another planet before too long with our psionic warriors. Our Death Titans also had psionic abilities, because, you know, we're evil like that. I put together a new ship, actually two new ship designs. I'll show you this one in a second. This cruiser, called it the Lightning Gun. 2 particle lances, some missiles, and some point defense. It'll stand back and just beat the crap out of whatever comes at it. And then put together the lightning cannon, which it turns out requires a lot of power. I guess particle lances are big and use a lot of power, I guess. So I noticed that we had way too many minerals. So for one thing, I gave a lot of the minerals away to my my sectors. By the way, Zara's sector is just expanding a lot. I'm just giving it everything over there. And then I decided that I wanted to build a couple of lightning cannons. So we have a lightning cannon on the way. Actually, are we gonna have another one? Can we build another lightning cannon? Nope. Requires a level 6 spaceport. Where's my level 6 spaceport at? Over here, right? Yeah. Do we want another lightning cannon? I think we want another lightning cannon. They cost $11 a month to maintain. Just putting that out there. They cost $11 a month to maintain. Okay, let's take our fleet down here. We'll blow some stuff up. It'll be great. We're gonna land right on top of that and then blow it up instantly. That's just not even nice anymore. Ooh, research complete. Power Hub 2. Can't believe we didn't already have that, but okay. So we can go for 0-point power, which is a long time. Tachyon lances! Oh my goodness! Tachyon lances. These guys are the bomb. These guys are the replacement for the thing that I just picked up. Oh, that's tempting. It's 70 months. Oh. The tough part is we don't have the power to deal with it. Like, we don't have 0-point reactors. What does this do? Unlocks Module Navigator's Guild. I'm not sure exactly what that does. Oh. Is that on... Yeah, I don't know what that is. Chance to hit +3. You know, I think we do this. And then Zero. We'll find Zero. Okay. I think you install that on a space station. 35 months. We'll go for that. It's rare, so we'll do it. I mean, it's not the only reason, but it's a pretty good reason.
Situation log updated.
Yeah, we're gonna want to do that debris. And this debris, actually. Transport fleets, what are you doing? Still moving, okay.
Construction complete. Situation log updated.
Additional research stations have been constructed. Excellent. Oh, I guess they have to blow this up first.
Situation log updated.
Okay. Now, start bombarding that. What are you?
Evading hostile fleet.
Hang on. Ooh, second mycelium carriers. First off, who are you? Science ship Cassini. Where are you going? I don't remember what your goal was. Oh yeah, you were gonna, yeah. You were gonna come down here and look at some of this debris. Construction ship. Branca. What are you gonna do? Go into orbit here. Enter orbit. A lot of stuff's entering orbit there, including where my transport fleets. Oh, there and there. Okay. They're getting pretty close. Let's actually not bomb that. Let's instead come bomb this. Oh yeah, they're gonna try to I think they're gonna try to bomb this down. Oh no. Oh nope, hang on. Woo! Now that's a pile of boats. Look at this. They're gonna leave. No, they're gonna leave. They're gonna wormhole out. No. No.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Those guys are gonna get out. These guys aren't. I mean, they'll emergency FTL, but that's about it. Look at this. Oh no. Didn't get anything. Okay. Did we do any damage? Not even really that. Some of our missiles hit, but that's okay. Can we do that? We're not at war with you, are we? Will it let me do that? Let's see if it lets me do that. Or not. Or not. Yeah, take them.
Hostile fleet
There we go.
engaged.
They're gonna have to emergency FTL out. Oh, this is the Ulmers. No! Boom! Boom! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is not gonna go well. And they're in the range of my my modifiers. I got some stuff on my battleships to make it so they can't FTL out very well. Oh, and here's a port construction ship. Oh yeah, done. Oh, too bad. Look, there's my vassal. My vassal's playing. Oh, so cute. Good vassal. Good vassal. They're not even the loyal ones. They actually like me.
Situation log updated.
Nice. Is that my territory? Yes, that is. We'll pick up some Ulm Tech. Ulm Tech, best tech, right? Right. Cassini, where you at? Just like everybody else, come party here. Enter orbit. Yeah, go around. Good. Good. These are my transport fleets. Okay. Let's get my fleet up here a little bit. Get my transport fleet down here a little bit. We'll meet up.
Research complete.
Ooh, hey, sweet. What's that? Oh, tile blockers. Nice. Any more tile blockers? I love tile blockers. They don't take very long. Xenozoo. Finally. Finally, Xenozoo. Let's do it. 17 months. That'll be nice and quick. Colony ship? Where are you at? Oh, that's right, you're trying to get there. Okay. Construction ship. Oh. Get. Construction ship. Get down here. Enter orbit. We'll use you, don't you worry. Are we still the president? I don't even think we are. Nope. The poor Iroquois, right? The poor Iroquois. Like, what are you gonna do? Poor guys. Oh, how are the Aztecs doing? Are they still getting the snot kicked out of them? Pathetic. Yep. Yep, these guys are, what are they doing? Oh, they're attacking stuff. Yeah, they're just attacking everything. Good job, Byzantines. Man, when the Venetians and the Byzantines get on a team together, it's all over. Except that's kind of how it was through much of the late Middle Ages, and the late Middle Ages didn't go very well for either of them, actually. I mean, okay, the Byzantines and, you know, the Venetians didn't always get along perfectly well. But, you know. Okay, both you guys, come down here. Aztec patriarchs are doing bad things. Do we have enough influence?
Hostile
I might start
fleet
using some
engaged.
influence. Where? Oh. There was a hostile fleet somewhere. I don't know where it went.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Not there anymore. Whatever it was, it's not there anymore.
Construction
What's this?
complete.
Mycelium carriers. Ooh, 4,000 fleet. Hang on. Yeah, this is not going to go well for you. Okay. Fleet. Okay, transport fleet, first thing. Get, like, over here. Third fleet. Take this down. And then take that down. Take that down. And then start bombing that. And then once the bombing is done, we will unleash our strong, ugly, horrific psi-warriors upon whatever happens to come along. The reason I'm moving these guys to the side is because there are, there's a fleet right there that could actually come join. Could be really bad. What? Inactive buildings. Of course there's an inactive building. There's always an inactive building on Corfu. Oh hey, power hub. Give me more power hub. Yes, please. Thank you. Okay, what do I gotta do about these, Aztecs? Look, Aztecs. Look, Aztecs. You're not even a real Aztec. They just convinced you were an Aztec. 200 influence, but I have other things to do with my influence. Why don't you just become true Venetians, alright? Alright? Okay. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. You know, I'm okay with you. We're okay. I'm okay with you. You're fine, but we just need you on our side. What am I doing with... Oh, that's what I was gonna do. Venice. Oh yeah, I don't have to do that. I have Venice right there. And Power Hub 2, yes! Yes! Power Hub 2, more money. That's what I was after. Murano, do you need a Power Hub? Yes, you do. There you go. Oh. Murano with the big old boat. I don't know why we need a lightning cannon against the stuff that we're dealing with here. It's kind of puny. It kind of make... I just want to know that if we had to, we could take on a fallen empire. We probably couldn't. I like the idea that we could. No, you have so much to live for. Who are you? Corvette Imperious Hatchling. No, no.
Construction complete. Situation.
Oh, did he leave?
Updated. Hostile fleet
I think he might
engaged.
have gotten out. Yeah. Yep. Blow him up.
Situation log updated.
Many of the Venetian inhabitants on Spalato, I don't know which one this is, there's actually multiple, have turned to genetic modification to help them cope with the planet's hostile environment. The changes they have made to themselves are being passed on to their offspring, and their physical appearance is changing at an alarming rate. They have started referring to themselves as Venetian Superior. Which Spalato are we talking about here? Yeah, we have two. Spica. I think it's either one, Spica or Z3. Let's see. Venetian. it's not these ones. Well, let me see if that did it. Well, it wouldn't be them. He's Polish. Okay. So let's try Spica. Spalato. We have Chinese people. Oh, I'm gonna have to kill this pop, actually. Nationalist corruption? Why? What's wrong? Oh. Venetian superior? There we are. Venetian superior. Extremely adaptive. And continental preference. Very good. And industrious. Look at these guys! Look at these guys! They're materialist and fanatic individualist. That's interesting. Okay. I think we can use you to our advantage, actually. Industrious, extremely adaptive. Look at this. Starvation. Well, yeah. Somebody's not managing this very well. Yeah, we have Chinese on this spot. They're leaving. 25 months remaining. Are you actually going to have... Oh, starvation. So what's going to have to happen is I'm going to have to kill this pop. But yeah, Chinese people are going to immigrate to our area. That's kind of cool. What do they got? They're sedentary, enduring, rapid breeders, and communal. Okay, well, it's good to know. It's good to know. Am I gonna have to kill this guy? Possibly. Anyway. Yeah, I'll have to micro that a little bit. Get rid of any of those stupid, like, phantom pops that happen. I think I was talking about it in an earlier episode. Basically, if you get a pop show up on a planet, and that pop starts to grow, and then that pop moves away, what'll happen is you'll have a phantom pop on the planet that isn't actually there. And it's trying to grow, but it can't anymore. And so you have to console it out. You can tell I'm not really that into torpedoes. Like, I'm kind of into torpedoes, but I'm not really into torpedoes. Governor just
Construction complete. Situation log updated.
Oh. Guys, we have lightning cannons. And all of a sudden, we're losing a bunch of money. Not losing, but... Gosh. Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay, they're moving there. Come enter orbit. 57% war score. Nice. Active buildings, of course.
Complete.
Always. Always. Okay. So what we're gonna do, we gotta get these guys over here. They can probably make it down here no matter what. Just come down to, like, here. Just come down to here and really freak them out. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Oh, you think you can fight back a little bit, huh? Yeah, yeah. Check out our, like, giant lightning machine. We have 2 lightning cannons. That's just not even nice.
Construction complete.
I think a lot of these constructions are sector-built, what are they called? Sector-built starports that are building land armies.
Construction complete.
That are building solar panel stuff. And here we go, invasion. What do we got? Armies. Oh, the poor Ulmers. The poor Ulmers. Oh yeah, they don't even stand. They don't stand a chance at all. Look at these guys. Look at these guys.
Enemy planet secure.
Oh, that's horrible. Oh, that's horrible. The Hansa have declared a war on the Habsburgs. Oh, this is interesting. So the 2 major blocks. So there are sort of 4 major blocks, and a really small one. Well, okay, there's kind of 3 major blocks, a mid-sized block, and then whatever Korea and the Ottomans is. I think that's all there is to them, right? Yeah, it's just them. Oh, poor guys. Poor guys. They hate me by 870. They hate me by 870. It's so great. Okay. Only 58 war score. Only 58 war score, but I just stole one of the... I stole Seeknor. I stole Seeknor. That's gonna be worth something. Come on. Oh, did my timer go off? No, it's... Okay, it didn't. It didn't. Okay, what's that worth? Occupations are worth 5. Oh my goodness. Don't make me train more armies. What is this? 4465. I have an idea. Why don't we kill these guys? They're not going to let us, actually. Yeah, they're bombing this. Yeah, they see us coming, they're like, oh no! Oh no! Oh no! We're getting out of here! Yeah. See, they're even like flashing. No, no, no! No, 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 no! What are these guys running? Aggressive combat computer, yeah. Got some stuff that we don't. Ooh, really good point defense. We could get some point defense off of them. How do they look? There's some cool looking boats. Look at that boat. That's a nice boat. I don't remember what design that is. Oh, these are, okay, these are fungus boats. Nice fungus boats you got there. Yeah, they're GTFOing.
Construction complete.
Are we gonna follow them? Let's see what happens. Can we follow them? That's the real question. What? Resource storage full. Oh, too much mineral. Ugh. I don't want to do anything that's gonna be too detrimental to my bottom line. So I don't want to build ships, for instance. It's just kind of rough. Surface. Murano. Is there anything to upgrade? Let's replace you. Replace. Are we going to be okay if I do this? I think so. Power plant 1. Let's do it. And then we'll slowly upgrade that. Hey. Well done. Actually, Lepanto with the penguins is what you're called. Can I do the thing that makes you happy? I'm going to build the thing that makes you happy. Now, it's going to cost us some cash, but it's going to make you happy. See, how are you guys? 55. Ugh. 55. 55. That's only gonna get you up to 70. Interesting. I'll build a thing that makes you happy anyway. Oh, no, I can't because we don't... Yeah, we still have the reassembled ship shelter, so it's not going to do the job. That's okay. Fine. Toledo, what you got? Ooh, yeah, upgrade. You got a power hub. There you go. I forgot about that. You, upgrade. Physics Lab 3. We have so much physics. So much physics. Noxos. Upgrade anything good? No. No. You know what I should do? I should turn these guys... I don't know. I was going to say I should turn these guys into folks who can do, do better on this type of planet, but that's not the reason they're unhappy. But at least they're happy because they're neighbors. From neighbors. Plus 10 because their neighbors are charismatic. Nice. That's the one not so nice thing about the Venetian Superior. They're not charismatic. Hey, come on, guys. Get with the program here. Here we go, Power Hub 2. Hey, look, Biolab 2. How's food? Food is too good, actually. Yeah, you're at max happiness, so there's that. Access. 32 you. Yeah. Get some more we'll get some more minerals, because, you know, that's what I'm missing in life. Hey, Toledo. How happy are you guys? Ooh, you're a fanatic spiritualist. Nice. You're 100% happy. Look at that. Look at that. See, isn't it nice being happy, guys? 2.8 ethics divergence. No. No, you don't want to be ethically divergent. No, 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 no. No, you don't want to be xenophobic. No. No. Xenophilia is the way to go. It's that free thought. And the fact that I don't have enough influence to plop down a re-education campaign. And we're already doing propaganda, so oops. My construction ships are lazy, but there's a war on. Haven't you heard? Though, actually, do we still have a mandate? No. I think sectors. Do you want more? Oh yeah, Zara. Yeah, you need some more minerals. Here you go. Oh yeah, Florida. You only have 278 minerals. Here, have like 1,000. Actually, I gave you more than 1,000. They only have 89. Here, have like 500, 600. Yeah, there you go. That's how you get rid of. That's how you get rid of minerals. You let your sectors do something with them. Okay, was it just me or was there a battle going on? Let's see if this fleet can actually follow. That's my real question. Where's this? 5th battle group. Ooh, where's this? Where's that? Oh, hey, look! War score! Oh, it's kind of far away. What if I just do this? 3rd fleet. Go get. Just hunt him down. Oh, he's gonna lose him, though. Real quick question. How are you doing, Byzantines? Are you attacking a transport fleet? Yeah, attack that transport fleet. Oh, did you land anything? No, you didn't. Just attack that transport fleet. Yeah. Third fleet, what are you doing? Let's see where this guy even goes. You're just gonna blow up my stuff. No, no, you're going somewhere. Where'd you go?
Research complete.
Why you run away from my armies? What? Ooh, Xenozoo. Nice. Why you run away from my armies? Unlocks component precognitive interface. What does this do? Ooh, chance to evade plus 20%. Weapons damage plus 10%. Oh, it's a psionic thing. I was worried, actually, that it was a an artificial whatever. Yeah, it's psionics. Okay, let's do that. 64 months. Wow. By the time we declare our next war, it might actually be on our ships. That'd be cool, right? Right. Oh, 3rd fleet, come on. Oh, hey, our fleets are here. You know what? 3rd fleet, come here. I'll kill that. Oh, I think he's jumping. Let's watch the lightning gun.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Watch it. Watch it.
Situation log updated. Hostile fleet engaged.
That was instantaneous. Look at how far away he is when he engages.
Hostile fleet engaged. Hostile fleet engaged.
No, get him! Get him!
Situation log
Never mind.
updated.
You're good.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Wow. Oh, I have a feeling I'm gonna like this. I just have that feeling. Wow. Okay. On that note, we're gonna call it. You know what? I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. Let's combine these two. I do, in fact, look forward to seeing you next time. Are you not moving? Oh, they're moving.
Construction complete.
I guess not moving. Guys, everybody go there. There we go. We'll combine them next time. Oh no, they're gonna blow something up.
Fleet engaged.
Yeah, we'll catch you later. We'll catch you next time. This is not gonna be pretty.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Bye, folks.